I'm going to teach you how to get a Belgian Malinois, or any dog, to sit. Very simple, easy tactic. And hi, I'm Natasha with Everything House. This is Wendy, where we cover everything house related, from DIYs to sustainable living, anything to make your house a home. So Wendy is going to be 6 years old, and I use this technique on her and other dogs to get them to sit. Pick it up. Good girl. In my hand. Good girl. So Wendy is very ball motivated versus food motivated. I could give her a treat. She really won't care after the first or second one. But if you have a ball, it is all she focuses on. You'll know what kind of motivation your dog prefers based on trial and error. If you give them a treat and they go crazy, use treats to train them. If you give them a ball and they go crazy, use that. So what I did to get Wendy to focus on me was have her focus on the ball. I would slowly lift up, and as her nose would follow it, I would throw it. Every time her nose went up to follow the ball, I would throw it. Good job. In my hand. Pick it up. In my hand. Good girl. Then she started realizing that the farther back she went, that's how we learn pretty. And she would sit, I'd say, yes, good sit, throw it. Yes means she knows she did something right. So every time she did it correctly, she would get a yes, good sit, and then she would get the toy. In front. So she's focusing on the ball, you keep lifting it up. That's pretty, we want sit. Sit. So I can now lie down, use just this hand motion to get her to sit. Because this hand motion alone was how I had the ball. And she would follow the ball. Eventually I took away the ball and I would just go like this. So I can either say sit or I go like this and she sits. So granted, she's not a puppy anymore, so it takes a lot of patience, and it's inch by inch. They follow the ball and you throw it. Inch by inch, and eventually they go high enough that their butt sits down. And that's yes, yes, good, sit, and you throw it 2 times or more to say that's the correct gesture. In front. So now, no words, she sits with just a hand signal. Then I can teach you how we did pretty, which is technically the same thing, but I'll save that for another video. So sit is follow the treat, follow the ball until their butt goes down, then yes, good sit, good sit. I hope that was helpful. Please let me know how that tactic works for you, or if you have other tactics. I think a happy, obedient dog makes for a happy, healthy home. The dog knows that you want to play and have fun, and you're not constantly yelling at it because it knows how to listen. Wendy is amazing. So if you guys like these little dog tip training things, let me know and I'll keep making them. Thanks so much.